Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Standing Desk Adjustable Height, a versatile and mobile stand-up desk perfect for your home office needs. This desk features an adjustable height range from 27 to 43.5 inches, allowing you to seamlessly transition between sitting and standing, and its 31.5 by 16-inch tabletop provides ample storage space for your essentials. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this desk helps relieve fatigue, improve posture, and alleviate back and neck pain, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your work efficiency and health. Equipped with 4 flexible lockable wheels, you can easily move this portable laptop desk wherever you need it, and the locking levers ensure it stays securely in place. Built with heavy-duty steel and a thickened steel frame, this sturdy and stable table can support up to 180 pounds, offering a reliable alternative to standard office desks. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is always here to provide a satisfactory solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.